Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online studies. It's me Naila Faisal, your computer teacher. In your previous lesson, you have learned about input devices. Today our topic is output devices. What is meant by output devices? My dear students, the devices which are used to produce the output or result from the computer is called output device. In this picture, different output devices are shown. For example, monitor, speaker, printer, headset, projector, plotter. All these output devices produce output in different forms like soft copy, hard copy, or sound. Now we will discuss all these output devices turn by turn. First of all, we will discuss monitor. A monitor is the most commonly used output device. It is also called a visual display unit. What is the name? VDU. V stands for visual, that means you can see. D stands for display, mean it displayed for us. U stands for unit because it is a single object, so it is called unit. A monitor is very similar to a TV screen and it can display both text and pictures. The other thing which I want to explain over here, whatever output that we get on a monitor is called soft copy. Why this is called soft copy? Because we can't touch that copy. We can only read it on monitor. So whatever we are getting on our monitor is known as soft copy. Speakers are used to play music and sounds from a computer. Speakers are connected to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from a computer speaker is created by the computer's sound card. Headphone is also an output device which is used to produce sound. Headphones are also called earphones. Headphones are either plugged into a computer line out or speakers. Headphones allows you to listen to audio or watch a movie without disturbing people around you. So, if you don't want to disturb other people, you will use headphones instead of speaker. The other type of headphone in which a microphone is attached is called a headset. A projector is an output device that projects an image onto a large surface, such as a white screen or white wall. It may be used as an alternative to a monitor or television when showing video or image to a large group of people. A projector is used for classroom teaching, giving presentations. Printer. Printer is the most commonly used output device. A printer delivers the output on paper. The printed copy that we get from a printer is called hard copy. Printers are of many types such as dot matrix printers, inkjets printer, and laser printers. It varies in size, speed, sophistication, and cost. In general, more expensive printers are used for higher resolution color printing. So my dear students, I hope all of you got a good understanding of output devices. Inshallah, I will see you in the next lesson. See you soon. Till then, Allah.